Hi guys, my name is Sai and in this video I am going to talk about some interesting rooted apps and mods. But before starting the video, if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and also join our Telegram group or channel where I provide important files and updates. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. So talking about the first rooted application, which name is Amrock. So simply go on Google and search this Amrock GitHub. Go on this first page of GitHub and scroll down. You can download from here. Okay, Amrock. Click on this APK, download it and install it. I already downloaded and installed it. Now I'm going to open this application. As we can see, it asks me a lock because I put a password on my this APK. Okay, so here it is, the interface of Amrock. So what is the use of this Amrock? So first of all, this application is used to hide your files. That means your any of the files which is present on your file manager, your internal storage, you can hide any of the files from your storage. So and other thing, you can also hide any of apps which is installed on your device. So I'm going to first of all I'm going to hide this folder. So as we can see, click on this button. After that, select that folder which you want to hide, the content of that folder. So I want to hide this folder, so I added that folder. Now I am going to hide apps, so select that set hide apps button, and so here it is, the apps. So tick the checkbox which app you want to hide. So I already checked that apps. Now click this hide button. As we can see, so hiding is started. Okay, now the button is shown is unhide button. That means our process is done and that application and folder is hidden. So as we can see, the application which I selected, that hidden, and as well as the folder which I selected, I'm going to open this folder. So no content is present, no data is present in this folder because the all the content data is hidden. So this like that this application is work. So if you want to unhide that particular data and apps, then click on the unhide button, and after that few seconds, as we can see, hide button is present. Now going to open that particular folder which I previously hide. So as we can see, here it is, that folder, and all data is present now. Okay, and that hidden application is also unhided. So this app is work like that. Now talking about some more settings, so how you can set up this APK. So first of all, the important point is which mode is used to hide that particular data or apps. So I am use this root method. So I am use this root mode. You can use the other mode like Shizuka mode is also available. So with the help of Shizuku mode, you no need to root access, but I'm talking about the rooted application. So root is necessary for hiding this. Okay, so if you are using a kernel SU, then you can enable that toggle SU toggle super permission. You need to give the super permission to that Amrock application. Okay, after giving super user permission to Amrock application, you can set some important settings like app lock, biometric authentication. So this is help you to protect your Amrock application from unhide, or if someone want to delete or unlock without your permission, so you can set a password to your Amrock application. So with the help of this, you can protect your data as well as you can protect your hidden apps also. Okay, so this is the Amrock application, which is very useful to hide your internal storage files as well as installed application, as well as you can hide your installed application. So this is the app. Now talking about the next application. Okay, so now talking about the next application, which is Super Backup. So go on Play Store and download this application. This application is available on Play Store, And as we can see here, it is this application. Simply download it and install it. So I already installed it. So as we can see, the application interface look like that. So what is this application? So with the help of this application, you can take backup of your whole apps. I mean, if you are installed any of the apps in your phone, so if you want that backup file of that application, that my meaning is, if you want that application apk backup, so you can take the backup of application apks, as well as you can take the backup of contacts, smss. So you can take backup of also call logs. So here it is the use of this application. If you want to take all the backup of this and you want to restore this whole the backups at the once, then you need to root access. But if you want to only take a backup of only application, back of contacts, so you no need to use root access. So simply, if you want to restore all the data at the once, then root access is mandatory. So this application, you can use this application without root also, if you want to take only backup of that particular applications. Okay, now, so if you take backup of that any application with the help of this super backup, so you can need to set a directory where you want to save. For example, I already set my directory on this present folder. So as we can see, the apk is backuped. So here it is the use of this application. Okay, you can only not you can take backup, as well as you can take contact backup, call logs backup, sms backup. So this all also working. And the most important and interesting thing is, you can take the backup, as well as you can upload that backup on your drive. That means it also support a cloud storage. So if you are take backup and you upload this backup on your google drive, then you can restore that whole backup at the once on your device. So very interesting application. So you can access your data, you can take your apps backup, so with the help of this app. Okay, now talking about the next application. So for next application, go on play store and simply search seeker. Okay, so I'm going to search seeker. So this is not that application. Okay, actually the application name is root space seeker. So I'm again going to search seeker root. Simply search root seeker. So here it is, that application. Simply install this seeker application. After that, open it. So now talking about this application, what is the use of this application? So this application is very very interesting and very useful, because if you are using a rooted device, then you can modify, you can customize, you can change your ancient colors as well, background also. So with the help of this application, you can change your ancient color as well as background color. Okay, so I'm going to explain just some little bit, adding some customization. For example, we can see our notification panel is in green color, because my wallpaper is also a green color. So if I want to change my ancient color in my according desired requirement, so I'm going to apply this black ancient color. Okay, if I want to set a black, then I need to set a custom things. Okay, just wait, I think I need to set another color. Okay, I'm going to set this red color. Now we can see the color of the notification panel, ancient color of this notification panel is red, like that. But if you want to set pure black, so what we need to do, just simply go on custom option, click on here, click on custom option, and we need to decrease the brightness. Okay, fully decrease the brightness, and after that apply it. And now see the magic, as we can see here, it is the black ancient color, as we can see, and it looks like very pretty. Now if you open your dialer or messenger or contacts, then this whole color is applied on your whole of the apps, which is support theming. Okay, and this clock also support. So it a very useful application. Okay, so you can set modify according to your desired requirement. You can set a different color for your desired requirement. Okay, so this is the application seeker application, so very useful application, and I think once you need to try this application because I like this application. And the one important point is go on settings. If you want to set your this default after booting, so if you don't want to change again, so you need to enable this toggles. If you enable this toggles after booting, your theming is not going to change. So for permanent solution is you need to enable that toggles for boot. Okay, that means after boot, after your device is booted, the theming is present as a permanent. Okay, so for using this application you need to give root access. So this is important point. If you are using a magisk, then you can enable with the prompt allow, you need to allow it. But if you are a kernel su user, then you need to um, enable on kernel su, go on kernel su and use the super user permission. Now this is, what is this? This is the MIUI music player mod. So here it is. It looks like very pretty because the interface of this MIUI music player is very cool. I like from past previously I liked very much this MIUI music player, but after leaving MIUI I'm not like much more. Okay, so you can play your songs, and you can download songs, and some more settings is also present. Like you can access a dark mode, so you can set like by length, by size, and most of the options is present. You can disable ads also. So this is very useful and very interesting, and it looks like very good. So I think better if you try this MIUI music player at once. Okay, so it is very cool and it is very useful application. Now talking about the next application is, this is a next rooted module. Okay, so next rooted module is Dolby Atmos. So you can so I forget that how to install, or how can you install this MIUI mod and Dolby Atmos. So simply open kernel su. If you are using kernel su, then open kernel su. If you are user of magisk, then you can open magisk and go on install module section and simply install from that module section. I will provide the link, I will provide the file on my Telegram group. So simply download that file from our Telegram channel and simply install from install section of kernel su or magisk. Okay, so here it is. This both modules as is present. One is MIUI music player and other one is Moto Dolby Atmos version 3.0. So installation process is, for both installation process is same. Go on install section and select that module, and after installing module it will ask you a reboot. So simply click on reboot, and after rebooting your module works fine, perfectly fine. Okay, now going to open this next mod. This is Dolby Atmos. Okay, so installation process is same as I previously told you. Okay, so this is the Dolby Atmos module. So install it through kernel su or magisk. Okay, so I already installed it, so I'm not going to repeat again. Now talking about that Dolby Atmos module, so how it works I will tell you. So let's go back. So first of all I am going to play a music, because if we know the difference how this Dolby Atmos working, so simply go back, and I all playing this song. So as we can see, as we can notice, the sound effect is going to change. So this is like that. You can use this mod and it is very useful. Okay, and you can also you can customize, go on custom section, and you can customize according to your desired listening requirement. For example, you can increase the bass or treble according to your desired requirement. Okay, this is the some magic modules, some magic rooted apps. So if you like this video, then please like and share this video, and if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So love you guys, goodbye, take care, bye bye.